Hi, welcome to my channel. What we're going to do today is going to replace a gas tank strap for this 2006 Honda Civic that I have. Because of the rust, eventually it just fall apart. Lucky I just able to see the problem on time, because if I did not, then I'll be stranded on the road without the tank, or dragging the tank with me. So yeah, without further ado, let's go and replace the tank. And also, please, if this video do any help, consider to subscribe, like, share, so that we can help more people and we can grow this channel. So let's go and start the video. Alright, here we are at the bottom. As you can see, this strap is completely go due to the rust. So here's the new strap I ordered online. So it looks right, but I have to go and check it if it's the right size. You'll never know. So every time you have new parts, compare it. Always compare. Yeah, it looks right. Yeah, it looks right. So, and as you can see here, I put the a ratchet strap to hold the tank while I'm removing the strap itself, right? You don't want to, while you remove the strap and you have no support, you will come down for sure, right? So yeah, for me, just put the strap in the middle, just to prevent from coming down, as you can see here. And you're gonna need this socket, 14mm. So after you remove the bolt, it should be easily came out the other piece. Well, it's in pieces now. It's supposed to be one piece. Here's the second one. The rest of it, so you can see now the only ratchet strap is left. Without this, it's gonna come down. So now I'm here putting the new one. I'm going to fast forward because it takes time. You have to insert this front end first. And then you do the back. I do the back last. They will not fit properly because of the sway bar at the back, but you can manage to kind of swing it over. There you go. Then put the bolt at the front, not too tight yet, and you're gonna need a jack to push the tank up so that you have you don't have to struggle with the strap putting it into the position. And don't forget to put the rubber back, the strap rubber back, to prevent from damage the tank itself. There's a rubber support there. So here it is, final product. This is you know, not too bad job. You only have a problem if you have so much rust. If you have so much rust, well then that's a lot of problem. And here's the old one, the rotten one. There it is. And also, if this video helpful, please consider to subscribe, like, and share.